Hey guys, my name is Shashank and welcome back to this another video of Excel tutorial. And in previous video, I have explained how the Excel if function works and what are the possible ways you can use in your day-to-day usage of Excel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the next step, the advanced usage of Excel if function. Because in the previous video, if you have not watched it yet, you can just follow this I button and you can watch this how if function works. And in this video, I will tell you that how you can use multiple if statements or if functions within a if function. So it might sound a little bit of complex, but it's very simple if when you understand how if function works. So just to recall what we have already learned in my previous video, we were talking about the Excel if function in which we have the two conditions, right? For example, if I want to purchase something, then I don't have the required amount of money, then what should be the condition? For example, if I have 1000 rupees, then I will buy a certain product, but if I have 1500, then I will buy a certain product. So these are the two conditions, right? So you can see that if I have 1000 rupees, then this should be the result, then I will buy this, or else this will be the result. So just like take an example. For example, this is the scorecard of a student. For example, if a student is scoring more than 65, then it should be considered pass, else he is failed. For example, so this is the if statement, simple if statement. If B9, so this is B9, sorry, this is B9, right? So if this value or if this value is less than 65, then the overall result of that student should be fail, or else it should be pass. So this is one simple X if function. But what if we have multiple conditions? For example, when we talk about the grading system where we give different gradings based on the scoring, right? Then we can use Excel if nested if, multiple if functions within the if function. So let's see how to do that. So as you can see that we have this student scorecard and this is the grading system. If the person is scoring less than between 0 to 63, then that person should be given F, and if it is between 64 to 72, then it should be D, right? And then so on until to grading A, right? So, and this is the nested if. You can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 nest Excel if functions within the single if function. So let's see how you apply that. For example, this is the if function. I will apply is equal to. So if C35, so this is the cell C35 is less than 64. I have already given the number 64. Then the output should be F. Okay, then this is the second condition. If C35 is less than 73, right, then it should be given D. And then this is the third if function. If if C35 is less than 85, then it should be given C, or if it is less than 95, then it should be given B, else it should be given A, because the last statement will be the scoring between 95 to 100. So this is how you can apply multiple if statements within the if statements, and if I press enter, you will see the result is B, because this person has scored between 85 to 94. So what if I change the scoring here? I will go 35, then you will see the grading is F, because it is between 0 to 63, right? So what if I give it 63? It is again F, because it is between 0 to 63. So what if I give it 95 or 96? Then it is A, because it is between 95 to 100. So this is how you can use multiple if statements within the if statement. But there are few limitations with if statement, that you cannot use more than 7 if statements within the if statement, which is the nested if, right? So you can see you cannot apply you can see here are 4 if, but if I go beyond 7, then this system will won't work. So you have to keep it under 7 if you are going to use multiple if statements, right? So next is I want to talk about that when we see functions like this, they seem quite complex, and it is hard to understand that what is going on in this function or in this formula. But you can make it more user friendly, which is more readable, and you can understand what is going on within this function, within this cell, right? So let's see how to make it more user friendly. So for example, this is the formula. I will remove this apostrophe and I will apply A is equal to, right? So now this is where the first condition is ending with this apostrophe, right? Then I will press Alt and enter. You will see it will get me into the next line, right, or the line break. And then again after this apostrophe I will press enter, Alt plus enter, then it will give me another line, then again Alt plus enter. So this way you can understand that there are 4 if statements working, right? First one is this, that for F, second one is for D, third one is for C, and fourth one is for B, and last is else condition. So if I press enter, right, so this is the result. But if I click double click, you will see this is how the function will look. Now it seems more user friendly. You can see how exactly every if function is working and what are the cells and what are the values we have used here, right? So if you want to use Excel if or multiple if functions, you can apply these simple tricks within your Excel sheets, right? And if you have any questions, any doubt, you can simply comment me or follow me on LinkedIn, right? I have explained, given all the details in my comment section or description, right? So thank you very much, guys, and please don't forget to watch my previous video on how to use Excel if function. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.